Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research, more friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. What is your profession? Remember, this is a comedy and storytelling. We're not encouraging harmful behavior, just having a laugh at fictional character types. 1. The neighborhood gossip reporter. Profession, breaking news before the news breaks. Reason, somehow knows everything by breakfast. 2. The online troll. Profession, writing comments nobody asked for. Reason, has strong opinions about absolutely everything. 3. The chaos maker. Profession, turning simple situation complicated ones. Reason, if there's no drama, they'll accidentally create some. 4. The rumor collector. Profession, gathering stories from every corner. Reason, treats every conversation like a detective mission. 5. The professional overthinker. Profession, analyzing a text message for 3 hours. Reason, what did that emoji really? 6. The keyboard warrior. Profession, debating strangers online. Reason, ready for a discussion at any hour. 7. The comment section explorer. Profession, reading comments longer than the original post. Reason, research never ends. 8. The mystery observer. Profession, noticing things others miss. Reason, their attention to detail deserves an award. 9. The professional complainer. Profession, finding tiny problems everywhere. Reason, every free pizza isn't perfect enough. 10. The trend chaser. Profession, following every new craze. Reason, already on the next week's trend today. 11. The accidental trouble magnet. Profession, finding unexpected situation. Reason, adventure somehow finds them. 12. The social media detective. Profession, solving mysterious nobody assigned. Reason, can connect closest faster than the movie detective. 13. The drama avoider. Profession, walking away from arguments. Reason, prefers peace and snacks. 14. The positive vibes specialist. Profession, encouraging everyone. Reason, believes kindness is always in style. 15. The lifelong learner. Profession, learning something new every day. Reason, knowledge never goes out of fashion. No matter what your profession is in, this family's kindness, respect, and good humor will always be the best career choices. Life is much more enjoyable where we build people up instead of bringing them down.